Alright, angles are pretty easy. There's three main angles, and there's one major rule that you have to just know about. So the first thing that we want to do is look at our first angle, which is going to be in this box here. So angle A, B, C, or angle C, B, A, or angle B. Those are three different ways we can call it, as long as we're calling it by the vertex either in the middle of the three letters or just by itself. Here's a little trick that I like to remember. If you take something that has a square edge like this, and you measure it up to it, you place the corner on the vertex. If you can see both lines and they're lining up exactly with each edge, then that's going to be a right angle. So angle A, B, C is a right angle. Now right angle is 90 degrees. And that little circle up there means degrees. So let's go to this next one. We line it up with our vertex, and we line up one side, and we notice that this other side is definitely not lining up with the other edge. It's lining up outside. I can still see it. If you can still see the outside, that means it's more than 90 degrees, and that makes it an obtuse angle. So angle DEF is an obtuse angle, and it is more than 90 degrees. Our next one, we're going to put our square or our edge right on the vertex there, and we're going to line it up with one of the edges, and we can see that, well, we can't see our other ray. So if you line it up with your vertex and you're lining up one of the edges and you can't see the other ray or the other line, then that is because it is less than 90 degrees, which makes it an acute angle. So angle, we'll switch it up, P-O-N is an acute angle, and it is less than 90 degrees. This last one is a little new. If we put it on our vertex, once again, we see that it's outside, but this is a little different because it's forming a straight line, if you can see that. If it's forming a straight line, it's pretty easy. All you have to call it is a straight angle. But you still have to call it angle X, Y, Z is a straight angle. Now this one is actually has to be a certain amount. It is 180 degrees. So it's two 90-degree angles, which makes a 180-degree angle.